US dollar trembled, its once unshakable reign threatened by whispers of de-dollarization. Nations turning to rubles, oil shifting away, and debt piling high. As panic spread, markets shuddered, with inflation eroding trust and global powers eyeing alternatives. But from the chaos, a new light emerged. XRP, Ripple's swift token, surging on blockchain wings. From cross-border payments to partnerships with banks, XRP rose, capturing the hopes of a world seeking stability. Yet, beneath this digital dawn, shadows lingered. Speculators and skeptics clashed, wondering if XRP's ascent could truly withstand the dollar's looming collapse. In the shadow of the old empire's fall, a new order took root.